Welcome back to another episode of Arc Weekly. Currently we're out in Southside somewhere. We've got this massive wardrobe to go in, so it's roughly 3.5 metres wide, 2.7 in height. So pulled off the picture rail there with a wee bit of burst plaster, but that's okay. The units will cover that, and they're all backed and whatnot. It's just one of those things, we can't leave the picture rail on due to the height. So try not to bore you with too much cutting and whatnot, so I'm just going to take you through this build bit by bit. Currently we've got one big carcass in, strap in the wall, strap up the side, and yeah, I'll do a wee update once we've got all the units in, hopefully by the end of the day. So we're just working away, and we thought it'd be rude not to introduce young Kerr today. He is. Say hi, Kerr.
Hi guys.
So tell the camera a wee bit about yourself and why you're interested in joining your work.
I'm Adam's brother. I'm interested in joining it because I quite like seeing our project the whole way through. Yeah, just have an interest in it.
So if anyone's looking for a very charismatic young lad to come and be an apprentice, slide into my mailbox. Back on site, camera died yesterday. Managed to get all the wardrobes installed. So that's all the shelves cut, all the tools and whatnot just coming out. So today we're going to get the scribe pieces done, cornice done, skirting done, and the doors are all ready to go on. So yeah, we'll see you once all that stuff is on. Good bit done so far this morning. What we've got is skirtings all on here, filler piece all at the side, the wee cornice round the top as well. Managed to get the sides panelled, so they're going to get an inset panel. Skirting's on at the bottom there. I've just cut the packers for the shelves, so Tommy's just about to start pocket holing all of these on, and then after this we'll then get the doors on, and then hopefully it's just filling, sanding and hanging rails and whatnot to finish off. So fingers crossed we'll have this finished for tomorrow, and we're just on to sanding. That's another day wrapped up. So we've managed to get the whole wardrobe, all the doors on, sides all beaded, so they're all done. It is also been filled inside, hanging rails are in, shelves are in, that's a wee packer for tomorrow. So one more shelf to go in, and then it's on to sanding, and that is us out of here. Morning guys, back again. It's currently Thursday. I've just just offloaded all the rubbish out the van. I'd been quite a bit stored up after cutting the whole wardrobe, so I've just offloaded that. Picked up a sheet of 25mm for the shelf to go in the wardrobe. Tommy's just in, hopefully he'll be in now, just starting to sand. So I'm just going to grab a quick bite to eat before I head down. He's just sanding, so I'll be in the road anyway, get some emails answered, and then I'll be over. We'll get the place cleared out, and then we're going to head up to another wee repair job for the client that we done the 2 alcoves in Bowling. So we're just going to repair a wee touch of their vestibule, but I won't be filming too much of that. But yeah, that's more or less us for the wardrobe, so it's all looking great. As you'll see, the handles are all on, hanging rails are in, shelves are all in. And yeah, just needing a good sand, and then once we get that last shelf in, that'll be us good to go. So yeah, another one done, just under 4 days in total, which is great. Obviously it's really good cutting off site and lifting everything on, especially when it's a second floor flat. It really helps just lifting. You're not thinking, trying to mess about in the gardens, cutting things and whatnot. So yeah, it's been really good, this project, and thoroughly enjoyed it. So once we're back in, I'll show you a few wee bits of footage of the finished article, and then yeah, we'll be back next week. So I'll see you when we're back on the job. Out of breath, top floor flat. That's us finished on this beautiful big wardrobe. So it's roughly 3.4 metres long by 2.8 metres in height. So we've got our panel sides, corner section to the top as well, all the way down. Internally, we've got open spaces up top. So that's for our storage, or wee suitcases and whatnot if need be. Internally, we have got long hanging, short hanging, or double hanging rather, should I say. Shoot these over. In the next section, we have got shelved areas. So these are all shelved out. Wonderful. And then finally, we've got a large, open, double hanging area, which is great. So that's us away heading up to Bowling now, but finished on this job. Quick bite to eat, and then that's us away. We'll leave this video here. Thanks for watching, hopefully you've enjoyed it, and remember to subscribe. See you later.